Hey guys, do you know how hard it is to film with one hand while the other hand is occupied? It's impossible. Or it's very tasky. Well, anyway, I'm going to show you how to make a holder for a digital camera. And these are parts you're going to need. You're going to need a CE holder, a magnet, a donut magnet, digital camera of course, a second hand that's in parts. Looks pretty much like that. A Dremel tool, Phillips screwdriver, a hacksaw, vice grips with a screw, and a small screw. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is take your CD holder and you're going to cut the top off or drill a hole in the side so you have something like this. And you're going to use your Dremel tool to drill a little small hole right there in the side of it. So actually you're going to have a hole in the top like that and a little small hole in the side. Okay. Now with the little small screw, you're going to take that and put that in the side of your CD holder. So you have something like that. Okay. Next, you want to take your second hand. There's going to be a little piece at the top. It looks like this. What you want to do is actually loosen that part off. Okay, so you're going to end up with something like this. The little screw tightener. Next, we're going to take a screw. It's going to fit the threads in your camera. So make sure you get a screw that fits the. It's very important they fit the threads in the camera. Otherwise, you'll ruin the camera threads, and the project's done. Anyway, when you do that, like I've already done, you're going to make sure that screw goes inside. And once you do that, you're going to cut the head of the screw off. I already did so, but this is how I did it. Take your hacksaw, and there's the screw inside. You can see. You're going to take your hacksaw and just cut that off. So just use an edge of a table or something. You want to cut that off. And once you cut that off, you're going to end up with something like this. Now this is going to fit inside of the little piece we took off the second hand. Now if that doesn't actually fit all the way in there, what you got to do is take your Dremel tool, which I've already done. You can see that I've drilled the sides or filed the sides down off the screw. Not filing all the way, just maybe a little less than half. That way you have your threaded side that goes in the camera, and then the other side that actually goes in our little piece right here. So we're going to put that together and tighten it up. Okay, tighten that up pretty good. So now you're going to have something that looks like that. Now you're going to take your second hand and we're going to put that piece back together. Oops. It's kind of tricky, so you got to take your time with it. Okay. Once you get that on, you should have something that looks like this. The screwed in the little piece from your second hand, and then you have the connection that actually rocks or rotates. Then you have these two little pieces here, and then you have the other end. Okay. Now the other end, without the screw, that goes inside of this. But before we put that on, we're going to put our magnet in. Okay. Now we're going to take this part with the screw that's sticking up. We're going to slide that inside. And we're going to tighten it. Screw inside. Okay. It's nice and snug. Now, for the last finishing touches, you're going to screw your camera right into the threads that you built from the screw. There. So now you have a finished product as a digital camera. You can actually take close pictures, actually aim it exactly where you want it, or you can actually put it on timer and take long distance pictures. But there you go. The digital camera holder. Thank you for watching.